Hello, I'm here to show you Kelly's Cottage, which is an absolutely stunning Grade 2 listed property. We're at Kelly's house, which is within a mile of Lewannick, and it's fantastic facilities. It's got a wonderful shop, pub, community comprising of a village hall, doctor's surgery, and also a primary school as well. So let me show you this property. It's new to the market, and what you'll notice straight away is it's got a lovely long path that leads to the front door, which is flanked by a number of shrubs, bushes, offering a wealth of colour during the season. And the front of this 2-bedroom cottage is absolutely stunning. Look at that, the sun's just come out as we got closer to the front, and that is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Very much a quintessential English cottage. So as I say, it's 2 bedrooms, and it's also actually quite near to the A30, so if you're looking for access, if you need to get to Launceston or perhaps to Exeter or even to Truro or the coast, you've got really good road networks from this property. So let's discover the inside. So as we go into the main reception room, you'll see it's a really good size. Love that stunning granite fireplace, isn't that beautiful? With the wood burning stove there. And we've got rustic slate floor, beam ceilings, a lovely lot of natural light which just floods in from the front door, and just to sit there on the sofa and actually look down that wonderful path is fantastic. So you've got a window seat as well. It really is stunning. There's a little understairs cupboard, and as we go through into kitchen, the old latch door, you'll see kitchen here, which could be sort of updated if necessary. It's got everything it needs. It's got space there for your cooker, sink, cupboards, etc. And then just behind me here, there's a shelved area for storage of food. As we go through into a sort of utility area, you've got your fridge freezer space, and out to the back courtyard, which is actually very well enclosed, and got a couple of steps up to the patio. Beautiful south facing patio, actually, really is absolutely stunning this time of the day. And just to pan round and show you the back of the cottage here as well. Very traditional. I think this property will suit a wide range of buyers. Someone's looking for a little country cottage, perhaps want to do a bit of work to the property, make it their own. Certainly something that's very achievable. So that concludes the ground floor accommodation. So we're now upstairs on the landing. Again, we've got feature stone wall. There's 2 bedrooms up here. Main bedroom is a good size with room for a double bed, of which there is one there. And again, you've got windows looking down to the front. And then you also have a second bedroom here as well, which is certainly a comfortable single bedroom. Room for a single bed. There's also a useful storage recess there to my left. And then if we step down into the bathroom, a bit of a limited headroom there as we go through, but you'll see you've got a spacious bathroom. There's a shower there over the bath. So as I say, it's a 2-bedroom cottage, well located, and certainly worth a closer look. So if you're interested in this, then please do contact Webbers, self-selling agents, on 01566 776 211. Thank you. And then as we walk out again along the path to where we started, and just in a moment, just going to show you one of the major benefits of this property, which is an old forge. And what you have just over the road is an old forge, as you can see here, which is derelict, but it occupies a good space and has a wealth of opportunity for a purchaser to perhaps create an outbuilding, a store, or perhaps a garage, subject to obtaining all the required consents. And where the white van here is, that's an additional off-road parking space as well. So the whole of the property has a good deal of space outside and this wonderful opportunity with the forge.